Creating an HTML file in Visual Studio Code is a straightforward process. Here's a concise guide. Install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website. Open VS Code. Launch VS Code after installation. Create a new file. To create a new HTML file, go to the File menu and select New File or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N or Command+N. Save the file. After creating a new file, immediately save it by selecting File Save or using Ctrl+S or Command+S. Name the file. Choose a meaningful name for your HTML file and give it the HTML extension. For example, index.html is commonly used for the main web page. Write HTML code. Start writing your HTML code in the newly created file. You can use HTML tags like doctype HTML, HTML, head, title, body, and others to structure your web page. Auto-completion. VS Code provides auto-completion suggestions as you type, which can help you write HTML more efficiently. Preview the HTML. To see a live preview of your HTML file, you can install extensions like Live Server or simply right-click the file in the File Explorer and select Open with Live Server. Editing and saving. Continue editing your HTML file in VS Code. Remember to save your changes regularly. Debugging and testing. You can also use VS Code's debugging features and extensions to test and debug your HTML and web applications.